So now we will talk about disintegration of Soviet Union. Okay, Soviet Union, as you called as USSR. Okay, the full form of Soviet Union is USSR, and this Soviet Union had big countries like Russia, Albania. Okay, and lot of different countries ने joint કરીને USSR और Soviet Union હતું. પછી એ disintegrate થઈ ગયું, એ divided થઈ ગયું, and now you have different countries, છૂટા and Russia. How did it happen? Why did it happen? We are going to do now. During the last decade of 20th century, meaning during the last 20 years of 20th century, Soviet Union's Prime Minister Mikhail Gorbachev's liberal policy led to disintegration of Soviet Union, Russia. Peaceful disintegration of Soviet Union is considered epoch making in the international politics. Mikhail Gorbachev became the Prime Minister from a socialist side on 11th March 1989. He had a liberal attitude. Russia had progressed tremendously in the field of science technology. They also had acquired capacity to compete with superpowers like America. Now what happened during the last 20 years of Soviet Union? Okay, Soviet Union disintegrated, it got divided, and at that time the Prime Minister of Soviet Union was this person called Mikhail Gorbachev. This Mikhail Gorbachev was a very good politician. He had a very liberal ideas meaning he wanted to do progress in his country. He wanted to develop his country. His ideas were very good. Okay, and the fact that Soviet Union got disintegrated in a very peaceful way. Okay, that is, the country got divided in a very peaceful way. There was no war, there was no fights, there was nothing of that sort. And Mikhail Gorbachev, when he was the Prime Minister of Russia, or let's say Soviet Union, at that time Russia made lot of progress in science and technology. It had made such good progress that it could become a superpower and compete against America. Gorbachev adopted two policies, Glasnost and Perestroika. Okay, so the two policy or two ways to rule his government was known as Glasnost and Perestroika. What are these terms? I'll not go deep into it because it's very confusing. Okay, that is why I'm not explaining you what it means, but just remember that he followed two policies, or he followed two ways to rule Russia, and that was Glasnost and Perestroika. In this way, Gorbachev introduced economic and political reforms in the place of a single-handed communist rule. So when he was ruling through Glasnost and Perestroika, he introduced lot of changes in politics, okay, which was not there when communist was ruling. Communist is the party, okay. The stronghold of the Communist Party, Soviet bureaucracy and Red Army started weakening. Because of Gorbachev, the stronghold, okay, or the power of the Communist Party, the Soviet bureaucracy means different government post, like how in India we have IPS, IAS, that is bureaucracy. So the bureaucracy or the administration in Soviet, the Red Army, which was the army in Soviet Union, it started weakening. Their power started getting less and less. In the year 1919, process of disintegration of Soviet Union began. Towards the end, 15 states became independent, and disintegrated of the Soviet Union came to an end in 1991. So in the year 1990, the process of disintegration of Soviet Union had already started, and by that time 15 states or 15 such countries, they got divided. They removed themselves out from Soviet Union. Okay, and finally the process came to an end in the year 1991.